Okay, tell me the name. The name.
Robots. Sheamus. Winter. Iron Man. Patrick. Iron Man. Ano this? Uncle. Baba. Thor. Iron. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Superman. Batman. Iron Man. Aquaman and Thor. Yay! Master!
Okay. Now wait. You make them all. Wait. Okay. 1, 2.
Let's make this one. So help me put this one.
All right. Let's see what this thing can do.
Who is that fighting?
Iron Man and Thor.
They are fighting. Yay! Who's the winner?
Iron Man.
Iron Man, make it down the door now. No. The door is winner, not Iron Man. Okay. Other one. Who's the next? Okay. Oh, fighting. They are fighting together. Who's the winner? Yay! Captain America is the winner. Okay. They're both fighting. Okay. Do it. Oh, both Superman fighting. Yeah. Who's the winner? Okay, fight with this one. Okay. The Ant-Man and the Black Panther, they are fighting. They are fighting Spider-Man and Batman. Oh, who's the winner? Hulk versus Spider-Man. Boom. The Spider-Man and the Hulk, they are fighting.